the old days of researching on hardcover library books to the now digital world of the World Wide Web, Stafford students are now benefiting from available resources by way of the premier smart hotspot.
Hotspot's a device that can share its internet service with other devices that are Wi-Fi capable.
The Premier Smart Hotspot has been trademarked, and what we've done with it is we've taken a phone, which is what we classify today as a student's native device. You know, when we grew up, laptops and Chromebooks, we consider those small portable devices. However, kids today would prefer to work on a phone as opposed to any other device. So we took their preferred device, their preferred technology, and using Samsung Knox, we were able to lock the device down. We developed an app so that the students would have easy access to be able to do their classwork outside of the classroom. Additionally, we made sure that the device was totally SIPA filtered. That means that it meets the Child Information Protection Act, which protects children from being able to intentionally or accidentally access material that would be otherwise undesirable for a student to see.
We were given a grant to receive a certain number of hotspots that we could have our students check out throughout the district. Each one of our campus has a set amount for right now. They're allowed to come into the library, request one, and they can check it out, take it home, use it in school for research purposes. Anything that has to do with homework or they need to Google stuff, they can use a hotspot and take it home and use it. They can connect up to 5 devices on it.
Premier Wireless provided the smart hotspot to Stafford MSD. What makes a smart hotspot different than a traditional smart hotspot is that the smart hotspot is an all-in-one device. It provides, using a phone form factor, it provides the student with an all-in-one device to handle most of their computer needs outside of the classroom.
The student response has been overwhelming. So we decided to do a pilot program. As any new project, you want to make sure that you control it a little bit. Since we did opt in for 200 hotspots, we decided to do 20 at the high school and 10 at the other schools. So it was a total about 50 devices to start off with. And they went out like hotcakes. So the 20 went out quickly, and the librarian was like, "Hey George, we're gonna need more devices." And it was like, all right, let's take a look at what the process is and make sure we streamline it. Of course, there was a little bit of hiccups that we picked up along the way, and so we streamlined them, and now we're ready to move on towards the 200 hotspots this coming month.
I think we're very fortunate this year to have this come into our school. We have a lot of students that can't afford the Wi-Fi, don't have access to Wi-Fi or computers at home. So at Stafford MSD, you know, we were given these hotspots to help our students to be able to do more online resources, to do more research, be able to do what they need to do at home and not have to stay or after school, you know, for tutorials, or have to be finding different ways of, you know, being able to do the research. They can do this online here, or they can actually, you know, just look up the information and write it out, and then they can come into the library here at Stafford MSD and type it out on the computers. If you haven't heard of our hotspots here at Stafford MSD, in the middle school, high school, throughout all of our libraries, even through the pre-K all the way up to 12th grade, we do have hotspots in the library, and we would love for you to come check one out so that you can take home and use it. If you need to do research, you can use it. You're more than welcome to come and check one out with one of the library aides. Please make sure you bring your ID, and we'll show you how to use it for online resources and anything else that you need to do for research at home for any projects or papers that need to be written.
If you have not gotten a chance to take a look at the hotspots, I'm sure you've seen your friends around with them at school, and of course these devices will help you do your schoolwork, and it's pocketable, so you can even do a research project from a device that fits in your pocket. No longer is it just a plain old big hockey puck that has no screen. It's actually a touch screen where you could do your research and everything on the device itself, check your email. So we provided you all the tools. So it's now your chance to come take advantage of getting, what other students are already benefiting of.
For more information, visit staffordmsd.org. For Stafford METV, this is Ray Molano.